morning, students. In this session, I'll solve some important problems related to compound angles. Next question, show that tan 2a into tan 3a into tan 5a is equal to tan 5a minus tan 3a minus tan 2a. It's a one important question. Okay, here you are not proving by taking LHS value. Okay, to solve this type of problems, you are using different method. See, tan 2a, tan 3a, tan 5a. Okay, consider the third term tan 5a. Tan 5a can be written as tan of 3a plus 2a, right? See, in some previous questions, 75 degrees given. How you wrote that 75 degree? You are writing it as 30 degree plus 45 degree. Similarly, tan 5a can be written as tan of 3a plus 2a. In the next step, see, tan 5a is equal to tan of a plus b. What's the formula? Tan of a plus b is tan a, that is tan 3a, plus tan b, that is tan 2a, divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b, that is tan 3a into tan 2a. Just applying tan of a plus b formula, because we have tan of a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a tan b. But the difference is, in place of a, angle 3a is there, and in place of angle b, 2a is there. Okay, just substitute a equal to 3a and b is equal to 2a. In the next step, simplify, cross multiply. Here you will get tan 5a into 1 minus tan 3a into tan 2a is equal to, remaining term is tan 3a plus tan 2a. Okay, taking denominator to LHS. So you will get tan 5a into the denominator equal to remaining numerator. In the next step, multiply. Tan 5a into 1 is tan 5a minus, okay, here you will get product tan 5a into tan 3a into tan 2a is equal to tan 3a plus tan 2a. Clear? First multiplying tan 5a to 1, that is 1 into tan 5a is equal to tan 5a minus ab into c, you will get abc, right? Tan 5a into tan 3a into tan 2a. That's the second sum. Remaining term in the RHS. Now see, what's the question asked? Tan 2a into tan 3a into tan 5a. It's plus, right? But here see, product minus is there. How to get it as plus? You need to shift this to RHS, right? So shifting whole sum, this product to RHS, you will get tan 5a into tan 3a into tan 2a. Whole sum becomes plus. Outside see, minus is there. Minus of sum, you are shifting that to RHS. So minus will become plus tan 5a, tan 3a, tan 2a equal to, now see, already tan 5a is in the LHS. What's the remaining sum? You need to shift tan 3a to LHS. Plus tan 3a will become minus tan 3a, plus tan 2a will become minus tan 2a. This is nothing but the given question, right? Prove that tan 2a into tan 3a into tan 5a. Here see, tan 5a into tan 3a into tan 2a is equal to tan 5a minus tan 3a minus tan 2a. Okay, very simple. First you are taking the last sum, tan 5a. Then you are writing tan 5a is equal to tan of a plus b. Then applying tan of a plus b formula. Cross multiplying, multiplying the terms, then rearranging the terms according to the question. Okay, then you will get the answer. See the next question. Show that tan a into tan 2a into tan 3a equal to tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. Similar to previous question, right? In the previous question, they are given tan 2a, tan 3a, tan 5a. 2 plus 3 equal to 5 you are getting. But here see, tan a plus tan 2a, 2 plus 1 you will get 3. Okay, so you need to consider the third term, tan 3a. Tan 3a is equal to, how to write tan 3a? Tan 3a can be written as tan of 2a plus a, or a plus 2a. You can write by the commutative property. Tan 3a is equal to, right hand side, apply the formula tan of a plus b. What's the formula for tan of a plus b? Tan of a plus b is tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a. In place of a, 2a is there, into tan b. Okay, applying tan of a plus b formula, but angle a is equal to 2a and angle b is equal to a. What's the next step? Multiplying denominator to LHS, you will get tan 3a into 1 minus tan 2a into tan a is equal to, remaining term in the RHS is tan 2a plus tan a. In the next step, see, multiply tan 3a into 1, it's equal to tan 3a minus multiplying tan 3a to tan 2a and tan a. What you will get? Product tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a is equal to, RHS term remains same, tan 2a plus tan a. Now simplify. See the question. They asked product tan a into tan 2a into tan 3a. Here you can see na, tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a. ABC can be written as CBCA also, right? Tan 3a, tan 2a, tan a is same as tan a, tan 2a, tan 3a. But in the question, plus is there, but here minus is there. So you need to shift whole sum to the RHS. Minus will become plus tan 3a into tan 2a into tan a equal to, here see, in the LHS, tan 3a is remaining. Why? Because you are shifting this minus to RHS. So take plus tan 2a to LHS, that will become minus tan 2a. Take plus tan a to LHS, that will become minus tan a. This is nothing but given question, right? Prove that tan a into tan 2a into tan 3a product equal to tan 3a minus tan 2a minus tan a. Clear? See the next question. If tan a is equal to 5 by 6, tan b is equal to 1 by 11, show that a plus b equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4 is nothing but 45 degree, right? First consider tan of a plus b. Because tan a and tan b value is given, you will get that angle value in tan of a plus b only. Why you are applying a plus b formula? Because you need to show a plus b, angle a plus b is equal to pi by 4. Suppose question is show that a minus b equal to pi by 4, you need to apply tan of a minus b formula. But here question is show that a plus b equal to pi by 4. So you need to apply tan of a plus b formula. We have it's equal to tan a plus tan b divided by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Substitute the values. Tan of a plus b is equal to tan a, that is 5 divided by 6, plus tan b 1 by 11 divided by 1 minus tan a. Tan a is 5 by 6 into tan b is 1 by 11. Simplify this one. It's equal to, here take LCM. What's the LCM? 66 is the LCM. Okay. Then see 6 11s are 66, right? So you need to multiply 11 to numerator. You will get 11 into 5 is equal to 55. 11 6 66. So here you need to multiply 6. Whole term divided by, simplify the denominator, you will get 1 minus 5 divided by 66. It's equal to, see, 55 plus 6, it's equal to 61 by 66. Whole sum divided by 66 minus 5 divided by 66. Okay. Again simplify that sum. Left hand side, tan of a plus b is equal to 61 divided by 66 divided by 66 minus 5 is again 61 divided by 66. Whole sum get cancelled. Tan of a plus b value equal to 1. Very simple, see. Tan a equal to 1. That implies what's the value of a? A is equal to 45 degree. Similarly, tan of a plus b is equal to 1. That implies a plus b is equal to 45 degree is nothing but pi by 4. This is the solution for the given question. In the next session, I will solve some important exercise problems. Thank you.